These first two clips are from last weekend, Saturday, at Waimea Bay. You can see it's nearly a lake. Now, only 1 week later, and literally the waves that came up overnight yesterday. Here's just a quick look at the shore break to the left side of the bay, in near shore. You can hear the crushing sound of the waves. And then we'll take a long look out at the lineup. Maybe 35, 40 guys, all scratching to get into the waves. It's not really a great wave. It's a big takeoff, a big drop, not much of a turn today. But you'll find quite often 3 or 4 guys on the same wave. We're going to stop and meet Brian Thompson, who once lived in Hawaii. He's going to tell us about his very first surfboard.
Tell me all about the very first surfboard you ever had that you can remember.
Oh my gosh, well, my name is Brian Thompson. It was a 6'8" Wayne Lynch. A lot of ding repairs on it, but it was a wonderful board.
So you came in the shortboard era then?
I did, pretty much, 68, 69.
No leash yet?
Oh no, well, when we wore them, they're dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only place here you'd wear them is at Rocky Point. Every place else, you body surf. You have to be good at body surfing. But they were either bungee cord or, a surgical tubing with a nylon cord. Plenty of scars from those things. But yeah, you didn't wear a leash back then.
Who were your surf heroes back then?
Oh God, Mark Richards, Sean Thompson, and mostly Aussies, but yeah, Lopez and Russell and BK, Ben Ipa, all those. Mark Lydell, Mark Lydell, Buttons. Yeah, you see those guys surf a lot. Skateboard style. Always a lot of good
surf. Say a big aloha.
Aloha!
From here, Jane and I moved down to Pipeline. Light wind, pretty glassy conditions considering. Massive waves, maybe good 8 to 10 feet on the inside, occasionally breaking second reef, 10 to 15 feet, maybe a little higher. And you can see the photographers and the iPhones that are all taking pictures on the beach. Every wave is potentially a killer or a big adrenaline rush. Here are a couple lifeguards going out into the break. I'm not sure whether one of them's on the way for his mid-morning break where he wants to do a little body surfing, or whether he's out there to check somebody in particular. To shoot these pictures, we're standing in the public right-of-way between the two Volcom team houses right at Pipelines. I can't overemphasize the power of these waves and the noise that you hear when you're actually here at the beach. The last clip here shows a big set coming in down by Off the Wall out at the second reef. Again, massive energy all flowing toward the beach. Now we've gotten back in the car and moved down from Pipeline to Sunset Beach where the HIC Pro is going on. We're rooting for Ola Eleogram, who's passed through 4 rounds, and maybe we'll see him a little bit here. Now we're going to see some surfers going out for the next heat or just sort of dumbstruck at the outside sets that are just coming in and massively rolling through the lineup, catching everybody inside. 2 heats after this, I think they actually stopped the contest because the surf was too big and unruly to compete safely. In the last clip we here see Ola coming in from his heat. He's won his heat, he is moving on, but you can see how tough it is just to negotiate the shore break to get back to shore. Aloha, see you at the next video.